Greenwich University was the venue where the Consul General of Italy, Anna Raffino, hosted an event in order to celebrate the 18th edition of Italian Language Week in the world. Italian couture and culture was presented.